What's up, everybody? Right back off that last video. You see, I just saved that. Not today, sir. But anyways, I'd like to say what's up to all my new subscribers, man. I keep saying that every video, but
I get everybody watching.
I appreciate it.
I got everybody watching now, man.
Yeah. No through traffic. All right, we on the hunt for some dumpsters. How you do that? Yes, sir. Pull and peel. Let's roll.
It's windy.
It is windy. Bada boom, bada bing.
Wait one moment.
We'll wait.
I thought there was some bee spray.
Nah, not today. Not today.
Well, I used it all killing a colony of wasps. I got like 10 of them in front of me. I'm scared so I can't have it. You don't fuck with the wrong wasp, boy.
Right, sting, sting. You get some of them fuckers, some of them bees will chase your ass for a while.
Dude, I know. It's like I got him, and the dumpster was up. It's one of those 2 yards that are under, and it's
Right.
like in the little thing. So I sprayed the crap out of it. All they were doing was ding, 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 ding. Anything that moves, it will come.
Got diapers, guys. I'll put them right here. Watch that box. Now get that shit out of here. Still got diapers. Definitely got diapers floating around in the hopper. Yuck. All right, guys. that's going to do it for this one. See you guys in the next one.